Hello everyone, Rob Cantley here at Borneo Exotics, and today we're going to take a closer look at this item. This is a wavy-leafed form of nepenthes maxima, and it's one of the assorted clones we sell under BE-4081. So a random assortment of a large number of clones. Now, beautiful wavy leaves on all of the individuals we've seen coming out so far. Here we have 4 different plants hanging next to each other, and we'll just run through them and compare them quickly. So there's a typical maxima picture. It's moderately colorful, and not all of them are like that. Some are much more colorful and some are pure green in the peristome, etc. So quite a mixture. It's a random assortment from a very large number of clones. You can see the spur on the tip of the lid there, which is a characteristic of the species. Well, what is so different about this guy is the wavy leaf is really tremendous, eye-catching. So we've got one here which has a reddish tint to the leaf when it's new, which gradually darkens a little bit and eventually becomes green. There's an older leaf there, and others which aren't quite so red on the leaf. So a bit of variation on the leaves in terms of color, but they do all have this amazing crenellated edge to the leaf, wavy edge as we call it. So we've made hybrids with this. We've also selected some individual clones which are sold under specific BE codes with particular colors. So if you want a plant that's fixed in form, you should go looking for one of those. You know exactly what you're getting, but if you'd like to have a lucky dip, then as many people do, then this one here, BE-4081, would be for you. Easy plant to grow. Nepenthes maxima is easy to grow, and it's growing in our usual mixture, as nearly everything is here, of coconut fiber and chips for better drainage. So we will be talking in the cultivation videos. I keep talking about those coming up soon. We'll be talking a lot about potting medias, but being well drained is a characteristic that is a common factor for nearly all nepenthes. Not all, but nearly all. So these 4 plants, here's one. Very similar pictures actually. Bit of difference in the leaf color. Not guaranteed, they're different clones, but the chances are very high because there are so many in the mix. But you can see probably that this one here is quite a different color leaf to this one here. And pictures are nice, very maxima in their characteristics. So if you like this one, BE-4081 nepenthes maxima wavy leaf assorted clones, then at the time of shooting this video, which is September 2025, it's just recently been re-released to our distributors. So it's usually available from any of our distributors. You can find the links to the distributors from our website. The QR code is popped up here, you can see that. Or you can go to the wholesale shop on our website, which you might find interesting because there are many nepenthes there, but maybe about 300 different varieties of nepenthes. And although we are wholesale distributors, we can't ship retail because of the complexity of the permits. If it's on our shop, then it's available for any of our distributors, so you can ask our distributors to order it for you. So thank you for looking at this. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're enjoying this channel, please do subscribe. The link is here. And we do videos like this, spotlight videos as we call them, on individual items frequently. But also we are in the process of doing a lot of other interesting videos on most unusual items, some of which have never been seen before. So if you subscribe, you'll get a chance to be amongst the first to see them.